Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add liquidity to the Uniswap for your deployed token and how to make profit actually. So let's go to the Uniswap exchange. In order to provide liquidity, you go to uniswap.org, you go to Pool tab, you select V2 pools and you click Create Pair. I suggest create pair with your token and ETH of the corresponding network where you deployed your token, because actually you can create any pair with any token, but I suggest to do that with ETH of your corresponding network, because all the fees, marketing fee, developer fee, liquidity pool fee will be charged and distributed only when transactions happen with ETH of the corresponding network. And to be more precise, collection of the fees happens on buy and sell transactions, but distribution of those fees happen only on sell transactions. So in order to get the profit, I suggest to create pair with ETH of your corresponding network and your token. So in order to find your token, you have your contract address, copy it, and you go click select token and you insert your token address, and here is your token. I click it. I understand that it's a small cap token, and here you specify the amount of liquidity that you want to provide for this pair. So I will I'll leave a little bit of ETH for the gas fee, so I will set 0.026 ETH. And for my token, I'm gonna go for max amount, and I will provide 1 billion of my token. After that, you have to click approve your token, and you have to approve it in your wallet. So I will approve it. Token approved, and now we can supply liquidity for this pair. Create pool and supply. Confirm. Okay, liquidity is provided. I can close this window, and now any address can buy and sell your token. If we go to Pool tab, we choose V2, and we don't see our liquidity pool. In order to see it, we need to import it. So we click Import Pool, and we choose the pair. So we provided liquidity for ETH and our token, so we need to choose ETH and our token. I just insert this wallet address of my token, and here it is. I select it. Yes, we understand, and our pool found, and now we can manage it. So here you can migrate it to V3 pool. You don't need to do that, because you will not be able to get the commissions from sell and buy orders. You can add more liquidity, or you can remove liquidity. So now any address can buy and sell your token. Let's try to do that. By the way, you have to keep in mind that your marketing address, developer address, and deployer address, aka owner address, are excluded from those fees. This means that all those marketing, developer, and liquidity buy and sell fees are not charged, which means no profit. So in order to check, I have to use another address which is different from marketing, developer, or owner address. So let me switch to another address. But before that, I go to my address that I specified for the marketing and developer fees, and I'm gonna make a screenshot just to show you the difference, just to show you that we get the commission on this address after buy and sell transactions. So I did screenshot, and now I'm switching to another address which is different from marketing, developer, or owner address. it has a little bit of base ETH, and I'm gonna buy and sell from this address. So now I'm copying my token address, contract address, and I go to search bar on the Uniswap and I insert address. Okay, on this page anyone can sell or buy our token, and we are going to try to do that, but before we have to set max slippage to the higher value. There is a reason for that, because our liquidity amount is very low. There is about $60, and in this wallet I have $12. $12 is a significant amount comparing to total supply of $60, which means that if I will buy this token for this amount of ETH, it will move price drastically. So that's why we set higher value for max slippage, because without it the transaction will not go through. So now we have max slippage 20% and we can try to buy our token. Let's set the price, for example, this amount of ETH for 25 cents. We buy our token. Let's review it. Let's swap it. Confirm. Okay, we did the first transaction and we bought our token. Let's do another one. Let's do a little bit more for $1.23. Swap. Confirm. Okay, we did 2 transactions. Now I can go to DexScreener, and here if we go to search bar and insert our token contract, you can see this pair, and it will represent how many transactions already happened and what the price of your token is. So we did 3 transactions, and you can see, or no, we did 3 transactions, and we can see 3 bars and price is moving. Okay, let's do a little bit more. Now we are making the transaction with the amount which is significant amount compared to total supply, and Uniswap is warning us that this amount of token will move price for 4%. So you have to keep in mind, if you will try to buy 100% of your token, probably Uniswap will not let you do that, because you will move your price for 40 or 50% and it will just not work, and transaction will not go through. And if you deploy your token and you try to make a transaction and you see here the message that transaction probably going to fail, try to increase your max slippage amount value, or try to make a transaction with a smaller amount of ETH or your token. So let's high press and yes, we know, confirm, and confirm again. Okay, we did bunch of buy transactions and our price should move up. So I will refresh the DexScreener window, and you can see that we have a bunch of transactions here, and here are all of them represented by the candles. Okay, now if I will check my reward wallet, it has 0 ETH, because those fees that we set here, all those fees are collected, but they are on the contract. They are not distributed yet because we did only buy transactions. Those fees will be distributed to developer address and marketing address when sell transaction happen. So now let's try to make sell transactions and let's check our reward wallet. I go to Uniswap and I switch the pairs. So now I'm going to sell it for ETH, and let's begin with amount like, I don't know, maybe okay, I sold back all the tokens for ETH, and now if we go and look at the chart, you can see that price dropped back where it just started. And now let's go and check reward wallet. This is the wallet that I did screenshot in the beginning. You can see this is 7456 and this is the 7456. This is the same wallet, and in the beginning there was a 0 ETH and now it's $0.18 of ETH on this wallet. And this is the commission, this is the fees that were charged on sell and buy transactions of our token on Uniswap. And when we did sell transactions, those fees were deposited to this reward wallet that I specified here in marketing wallet and dev wallet address. So this is how you provide liquidity and make profit on your token. So basically, if you don't know how to deploy it, go to the first video. I will leave the link in the description. This is very easy. You just deploy your token, you provide liquidity, then you market your token, make it popular, and you just get commission for every buy and sell transaction, and you don't rock people. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.